Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In today's video, we would be seeing the reason behind deploying the MiG 29K near the China border, and we will also take a quick insight of the incomparable power of MiG 29K in Indian Navy. As per the defense sources, the Russian origin MiG 29Ks have been moved to air base in northwestern India to boost the presence of naval variant fighters near the border. We know that Indian Air Force has already deployed fighters like Sukhoi Su-30 MKI, the Mirage 2000, MiG-29, and Apache attack and Chinook heavy lift helicopters. These aircrafts and choppers has been deployed near the line of actual control, especially in eastern Ladakh. The addition of MiG-29K will boost the presence of various variant of fighters, and it will also provide both airborne fleet air defense and surface attack capabilities. Not only this, in addition to the above fighters and choppers, India has also deployed the Boeing P-8I maritime patrol aircraft armed with missiles and other weapons, and this is to keep tab on the Chinese troops. The Indian Navy's aircraft carrier, INS Vikramaditya, has been on missions with its carrier battle group, and Navy has been keeping a vigil in the Indian Ocean region for Chinese warships. As of now, Indian Navy has a fleet of around 45 MiG-29K, and at least 18 of them are deployed on board the country's aircraft carrier, which is INS Vikramaditya. The naval squadrons which operate these MiG-29K in their fleet are the INAS 303, which is also known as the Black Panthers, and the other squadron is the INAS 300, which is also known as the White Tigers. In this video, we would discuss just about the MiG-29K fighter jet and understand all important details about it relevant to the Indian Navy. So let us begin. Just to give a quick intro about this particular fighter jet, the Mikoyan MiG-29K is a Russian 4+ generation all-weather carrier-based multi-role fighter aircraft which is developed by the Mikoyan Design Bureau. Indian Navy first received the MiG-29K fighter jet following the purchase of a former Soviet aircraft carrier which has been named as INS Vikramaditya now. Indian Navy were very much impressed with this particular fighter jet since it had all vital requirements like an enlarged and folding wing, an arrestor hook, and a corrosion protector reinforced fuselage. Based on Indian Navy's request, there were several modifications made to the MiG-29K. To name few of them is including the Zook ME radar and RD-33MK engine. The MiG-29K is powered by two Klimov RD-33MK afterburning turbofan engines which develops 7% higher thrust. These engines also ensures that shipborne fighters get unassisted takeoff, retain performance in hot climate environment to boost its combat capability. The aircraft is equipped with 3 multifunctional color liquid crystal displays, a 4-channel digital fly-by-wire control system, a passive homing system for anti-radar missiles, a Sigma 95 GPS receiver, Top Gun helmet-mounted targeting system, and electronic countermeasures. Not only this, it also has an onboard oxygen generating system, eliminating the need for heavy oxygen canisters. According to Mikoyan, the extensive use of radar absorbent materials reduce the MiG-29K's radar signature 4 to 5 times over the basic MiG-29. Now coming to the armaments, the MiG-29K has a GSH-30 30mm cannon in the port wing root, and it also has provisions for laser guided and electro-optical bombs. It can also carry air-to-surface missiles and rockets. These fighter jets, armed with an arsenal of some of the most sophisticated weapons in the world, is fully equipped to dominate by engaging targets in air, at sea, or on land. Now coming to the other characteristics, the MiG-29K has a length of 17.3 meters, height of 4.4 meters, and a wingspan of 11.99 meters approximately. The maximum takeoff weight is 24,500 kilograms. It has an internal fuel capacity of 4,560 kilogram and a combat radius of 850 kilometers. This aircraft can hit a maximum speed of 2,200 km per hour. The MiG-29 KUB, which is a two-seat fighter, which is intended for pilot training, can also conduct a combat missions identical to the single-seat fighter jet. So those were the armaments, avionics, and other features of MiG-29K. Now let's take a quick look at the major accidents involving the MiG-29K fighter jets. There were 3 accidents continuously for every year starting from 2018 to 2020, and all these accidents happened in INS Hansa, which is a naval air base in Goa. To give more detail, on January 3, 2018, a MiG-29K aircraft overshot the runway and caught fire during takeoff. The aircraft was engulfed in flames, but the pilot was safe. On 16 November 2019, a MiG-29 KUB trainer was hit by a flock of birds, and the collision led to a fire in the right engine, and also the left engine failed. The third accident, which took on 23rd February 2020, in which a MiG-29K developed a technical snag after taking off, but the pilot ejected safely even in this particular incident. So that was a quick look on Indian Navy's MiG-29K and its unique capability and power for which these fighters has been deployed near the border. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it. And also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.